I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hello everyone! Welcome again to our channel. So, hi. What happened? Okay, so today we are going to make coconut chutney. So, coconut chutney is like, pwede siyang gawing appetizer. Actually, hindi ako magluluto, yung asawa ko. So, pwede siyang maging appetizer, pwede siyang gawing sa sandwich, pwede siyang curry, or anything. So, and we will, ipapakita niya rin kung paano siya ipapreserve para at least na kahit ano tawag dito yung matagal, hindi siya masaspoil ng mabilis, ganoon. And then so yun, iboboil niya yon. So siya yung gagawa, and then at the same time later ipapakita niya gagawa sila ng chili dynamite. So bababa siya doon sa kina Ashibaya, doon sila gagawa ng chili dynamite. So sila yung magvo-vlog today. So ako lang nag-intro dahil gusto niyang ipakita kung paano gawin yung mga ingredients ng coconut curry na lulutuin niya. So okay, for the ingredients, ito yung ating gagamitin. Of course, we will be needing the coconut. Yan. So we have lemon and chili. We have garlic. We have coriander. So this is the coriander leaves. Okay, so eto na yung ginawa niya. I-mix niya na sana. Sabi ko hindi pa ako nakapag-intro. So ayan, nilagay niya yung garlic tsaka yung chili for grinding. So i-grind niya lahat lang to later. And then after that, i-boil niya. So yun yung mangyayari. So we'll see kung ano yung step niya mamaya. Papakita ko. Ako lang naman taga-video nila ngayon. So later, so please be with them later also kung paano nila gawin yung chili dynamite na lulutuin nila, and it will be what are you going to put for the chili dynamite? Potatoes, coriander. Half, okay, so they're going to use potato. So usually kasi sa atin pag gumagawa tayo ng chili dynamite, we use minced chicken o yung giniling na manok. So for that, because they are vegetarian, so we're going to have what you call that, i-replace natin yung chicken ng potato. So ayun, so please be with us habang ginagawa niya itong coconut chutney. Thank you so much. Okay, so ayan, tapos na yung ating coconut chutney. So ngayon bababa siya at dun nila sa shop gagawin yung kanilang dynamite, chili dynamite. So please be with them also dahil hindi ako makakapunta doon at sila lang ang magva-vlog. Ayun, so thank you so much again, and please be with them. Thank you.
किचन की बाबू ऐसे नहीं भाई थोड़ा किचन की हल्का सा गरम मसाला, हल्का पाउडर, हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा ना, ये रुक जाएगा क्या? हाँ ये रिकॉर्डिंग रुक जाएगी? हाँ रुकिए, इसको पॉज कर देंगे हम लोग. Now this potato stuffing will be stuffed inside these chilies over here, the hot peppers. And then we will have a covering of lentil powder. एक पीस करके काटा नहीं है, मिर्ची बड़ा आसानी काटेगा. This is Rahul Bhaiya, Ashish Bhaiya's brother. हाँ hello. Here we cut it. बेसन मोटा रहता है ना. Here is the dynamite again. Here it's sizzling hot dynamite. Smells really good. Again, 3 cheers for Ashish Bhaiya over here. Ashish from Rajasthan, Bhilwara. We are going to Bhilwara for the wedding, and Ashish Bhaiya will be getting married soon. So yeah, it's sizzling hot. The dynamite chili over here, the ground flour over here, and end product is there. Rahul, थोड़ी मीठी चटनी ऑर्डर ले आम तेरा कटोरी में.